Hey guys, welcome back to another QX56 video, and today we're going to be changing the air filter in this vehicle. So I already got the hood popped. So our air box is right here, and there's only one, and it's actually quite easy to get to. So I did have to put a brace because my struts are not working right. I guess they're too weak, so we'll have to change those eventually too. But today we're going to be concentrating here on this air filter, and it's quite simple. There's 5 of these little clips all around the box. The last one right here, and as simple as that, this thing should just pop right up. Just lift it up. So it looks like it's been changed already, not too long ago maybe, but we're gonna go ahead and change ours anyway, because if we look underneath, it's not all that clean, and you definitely can't see through it. I don't know if you're supposed to or not, but in any case, this looks like a more of a regular filter. So what we're going to be replacing it with is this DN motoring high flow filter. So this is supposed to make the airflow a lot better, because this is more kind of like a K&N filter, but that's not the best part about this kind of filter. The best part is that they last a lot longer than regular filters of about 50,000 miles. So alright, so let's open it up and see what this one looks like. Alright, and it also is green, but I can already see that it's a different kind of filter. So yeah, this one is definitely different. It has like a mesh in the filter, if you can see that. It definitely looks much higher quality, and the whole thing is like the silicone rubber. The old one here is plastic with a little seal on the end of it, but this one is completely rubber all around, and it's really like heavy duty rubber. So another huge difference that I see right away is, if you can see guys, that this new filter here has a more filtering area. So if I put it here on top, you can see how this size is not optimized to filter compared to this one. So we should get a lot better airflow, not only because we have a high flow filter, but because it's just a much bigger surface area to go through. So air should have a lot easier time going through this than it is through that. And not only that guys, you can see through this filter. You can see the light passing through it, where the other one was blocking the light completely. So this is definitely a much better filter here. We should be able to get a little bit more power maybe with this kind of filter, and also just a more smoother acceleration, because the engine's not struggling trying to, you know, suck up the air. So this will let it breathe a lot more freely. So yeah, this filter seems like it has a lot of advantages over that stock filter we got over there. So alright, so let's put the filter to the side for now. The thing that we need to do next is we have quite a bit of dirt in the filter housing, and we don't want all that dirt to get sucked up into our new filter here and kind of, you know, clog it with leaves or whatever. So what we need to do is we need to clean out this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a little vacuum and vacuuming it all out. Alright, so now that we got that nice and clean, we can go ahead and put the filter in. And if you look at the filter, the little lip part actually goes to the top. It looks like it's upside down, but this is how it goes. The part that's protruding more, it goes up. So just like that. So just make sure you're sitting in there all nicely, nothing's kinked or dropped. Then we can go ahead and put the cap here back on, but the way that goes is, you can see back here, there's little tabs that it has to insert into. So you got to push the bottom down first. So it could be a little tricky, but you got to feed these into here. So once you get those seated and the box goes in there and the filter feels good and everything's right, then we can go ahead and clip all these clips back on. And there's 5 of them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's it. And it's as simple as that. So now we have our high flow filter installed, and our engine should breathe a lot easier. So this is sold and I guess made by DNA Motoring, and I did get this on Amazon. So if you want to get one for yourself, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Check that out. Alright, so let's crank her up and see what it sounds like with the new filter. Definitely feels a lot more peppy. So, but I'll really be able to tell once I get it out on the road and drive it. So, alright. If you guys enjoyed this video and thought it was useful, then hit that like button. If you want to see more videos about this QX, I have a few more things to repair on it, and other videos I might make with it and my experiences. So if you want to stay tuned, hit that subscribe button to see more. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.